Yeah. How do you feel about the Brooklyn Nets winning the first NBA game you watched, Shubham? Huh? Not impressed? No? Oh,